Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring you have your Apple ID credentials and access to any two-factor authentication device. Once ready, go to Settings and open Music, or launch the Apple Music app and tap your profile. Sign out of the current account for media and purchases. This clears membership ties so you can switch. Make sure you note any downloaded songs or playlists that need to be backed up first, because signing out may remove local Apple Music content. Next, you sign in with the Apple ID you want to use for Apple Music. Go to Settings and choose Sign into your iPhone, then enter the new credentials and complete any 2FA prompts. Once signed in, open the Music app and enable Sync Library to merge or replace your cloud library. This ensures playlists and likes sync to the new account. Make sure to review subscription status. You may need to resubscribe or redeem a family plan, and then redownload any To finish, verify your Apple Music subscription under Settings Apple ID subscriptions so billing is correct on the new account, and confirm library syncing completed. If you see missing songs or playlists, toggle Sync Library off and on, and restart the Music app. That often forces a resync. If problems persist, sign out and sign back in, and then contact Apple support with your Apple ID and device details. They can resolve account link issues or restore lost purchases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.